Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Charlie Chongson or Charles for short, and I'll be your guide today. I'm really excited to show you around and share some amazing stories, history, and hidden gems about this place. If you have any question during the tour, don't hesitate to ask. I'm here to experience fun and memorable. What is tour guiding context? A tourist guide plays a key role in helping visitors understand the cultures, history, and significance of a place while ensuring their experience is enjoyable, safe, and memorable. Being a tourist guide is important because you connect travelers with the heart of a destination. You share stories, provide local knowledge, and ensure visitors feel welcome and informed. Your role enhances their experience, support the local economy, and helps preserve culture through respectful tourism. I think a trait that tour guide should have preparedness, punctual, and safety awareness. Today, while technology and travel styles have evolved, the core purpose of a tour guide remains the same: sharing knowledge, bringing place to life, and creating meaningful experience. Modern guides now use digital tools, multilingual apps, and storytelling techniques, but they still carry the essential role of being cultural interpreters. Here are three major attractions in Bohol, Philippines. First, Chocolate Hills, second, Tarsier Sanctuary, and last is Panglao Island. Chocolate Hills. At the Chocolate Hills, expect a stunning view of over 1,000 symmetrical grass-covered hills that turn brown in the dry seasons, creating a unique chocolate-like landscape. You learn about the natural limestone formations, geological origins, and the local legends that surround it. From the viewing deck, you can take a panoramic views, snap iconic photos, and experience the wonder of one of the Philippines' most unique natural landmarks. At the Philippine Tarsier Sanctuary in Corelia, Bohol, you step into a lush forest where the world's smallest primates, the Philippines tarsier, live freely. These nocturnal creatures are known for their large eyes and remarkable agility. Guided tours provide insight into their behavior and conversational efforts, emphasizing the sanctuary role in protecting these endangered animals. Visitors can observe tarsier perched silently on branches, blending seamlessly with their surroundings. Remember to maintain silence and avoid flash photography to ensure the well-being of the delegated creatures. At Panglao Island, you immerse yourself in a tropical paradise where natural beauty and vibrant marine life converge. Alona Beach, the island's most renowned stretch, offers powdery white sands and crystal clear waters, perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and diving. Just offshore, Baligasag Island awaits with its rich coral reef, teeming with turtles and diverse marine species, making it haven for diving enthusiasts. For a touch of adventure, explore Hinagdanan Cave, a limestone cavern illuminated by natural light, featuring a serene underground lagoon and impressive satellite formations. I want to become one. Tour guiding involves being knowledgeable, engaging, and personable. It requires clear communication, storytelling skills, and ability to connect with diverse group of people. I believe I have those traits, but I need more to be adaptable, patient, and passionate about the story subject matter.